The same thing, the filling option it applies for the polygon tool also. If I click on polygon tool and drag, if I press Ctrl, it creates an exact polygon with the size of which the vertical and horizontal size of which will remain same. Just what I am doing is I press Ctrl button on my keyboard and then drag, through which my vertical and horizontal side doesn't changes, it remains the same. If I simply drag it without pressing any button on keyboard, it will, the size here won't be the same. Size you can find it here. See, these are the size. This is the vertical size, this is the horizontal size, this is the vertical size. Now just keep observing here. I'll simply drag my mouse and see both the size, vertical and horizontal, are changing to two different sizes. And if I press Ctrl, see the size, the vertical and horizontal size remains the same. This happens when we press Ctrl and drag the mouse. Okay, in the same way you can fill the color. If you want to change the outline color, you can click the right mouse button and change the outline color. This is to increase the outline width size. If I press the mouse left button, it fills with the inside color. If I press the mouse right button, it fills the outline color. This is polygon, this is star, and this is in star we'll see one more tool option. This is I draw a star here. Okay, and again if I need to change the star shape, what I do is I go to the shape tool here and click on any of the nodes and drag. See, I can change the star shape through this shape tool. You can click on any of the node and drag. You'll see the changes in star shape. Let's see the next tool. This is complex tool. In complex tool, here you can change the points and sharpness, and this is the line width. As I drag my mouse, it's creating a complex star tool. This is a complex star tool. The same way, if I press Ctrl and click, it creates a complex tool with vertical and horizontal size, same with similar vertical and horizontal size. Here you can see the size. Let's see again. I'll select the complex tool and drag my mouse. This is complex. Now let's see, we'll increase the size and see. This is, I'll keep on increasing the size. This is 11. Let's start with the smallest figure. This is the minimum what we can keep in the complex star tool. This is the minimum figure what we can keep. This is the 5. What is this is the minimum you can keep. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. As we increase, it keeps on increasing. The points keep on increasing. This is 9, this is 10. 10 what I'm keeping. This is the sharpness. Let's see. You see, this is, it has created one more star option here. If I press 2, see, it has created a one more triangle option here in this. This is what it does. This tool option what it does. Press 3. It has created one more. 1, 2. This is 3. It doesn't go beyond 3. If I want to increase this point, I have to increase the sides also. If I keep it 20, and let's try this. 4. See, now it has created 4. 1, 2, 3, and this is the small 4. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5. This is how it creates. If I want to increase the line width, that can be done from here. This I'll keep it as 5. And this the same way we can fill it with any of the color and with outline. And suppose if I want to change the shape, I can do that thing by going to shape tool and dragging my mouse by selecting any of the node. These are the nodes. I can select that node and drag. As I drag, it changes the shape from node position. It changes from all this end, from all the sides. This is how we can draw an object and give shape to it. And if I want to increase or decrease the width or height, we can do it from here. This is 100 I keep, and suppose if I plan to keep the height also the 100, we can do the same thing here. If I want to change the size proportionately, we can lock this thing from here and change the shape. Horizontal also changes to 200. This is how we can work on this object. Okay, we'll go to next tool. This is the graph tool, graph paper tool. Okay, in graph tool you can see these rows and columns here. These are the rows and columns, and you can set the number here. See here I keep it as 10, and this I keep it as 5, and I'll drag my mouse. See, it's creating small boxes. You can see these are the small boxes which has been created. See, these are the in what vertical I have kept 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 9 10, and horizontal I kept 5, 1 2 3 4 5. This is 10 and this is 5. Suppose if I change the size, now once you have drawn the this object, you cannot change the increase or decrease the box. Now if you want to increase or decrease the boxes, what you need to do is you need to go to that tool again, go to that particular tool which is graph paper, the shortcut for which is D, graph paper 2, and then put some figure here. This 10 I put, and again horizontal also I put 10. Press enter, and then I can drag. See, this is what the graph paper tool does. It creates small boxes, and suppose if I want to drag and keep the vertical and horizontal size same, then I press Ctrl and then drag. Now it has created small boxes here. These are 10 and these are 10. In the same way, after drawing this particular tool, if I want to increase the box, if I want to increase or decrease the line width size, what I need to do is I need to select the box, come out from this tool, go out of this tool. This is graph tool. I'll go out of this tool and go to this particular pick tool. Okay, and through pick tool, and I select this particular object, and from here I can change the outline width. Now you can fill the color, you can fill the color for all the boxes, fill the outline color, all the boxes. The filling and filling of outline or filling of the particular object can be done to this particular color tool, and when you click the left mouse button, it gets filled with the color, with that particular color. If I click left mouse button, it gets filled with that particular the outline gets filled with that particular color. So left mouse button fills it with inside color, and mouse right button fills it with outline color. Now suppose if I want to separate all the boxes, what I need to do is I'll select the object first, and here are the options. This is ungroup. See, now it has separated all the boxes. After separating, you can increase or decrease the box size, or individually you can fill the colors or remove the colors. It has separated all the boxes. After separating the boxes, you can also increase or decrease the outline size from here. You can see this outline size. Change the outline color first, and increase the outline size. Okay, and also you can give rounded shape or any other shape for this box. These are the shapes which we have seen in rectangle tool. This is after separating the box, we can increase or decrease the box size, fill this with any other color, or increase or decrease the outline color. This is what we can do. Okay, let's understand again. This is graph paper tool. Before drawing this any object on the paper, on the sheet, what we need to do is we have to mention the column and the row figures. Okay, the number of column and the number of rows. Suppose if I want five vertical boxes and 10 horizontal boxes, I keep 5 and 10 and drag my mouse. So it has created 5 vertical boxes, 1 2 3 4 5 and 10 vertical boxes here. Okay, and if I want to separate this, separate the boxes, what I need to do is I go to the pick tool, select this particular tool, the particular object, go to this pick tool, select the particular this object and ungroup. It separates all the boxes. After separating, we can increase or decrease the box size, fill it with any color, or give rounded shape to that box. This is what we can do.